Right, let's have a quick look around the box before we do the actual unboxing. So 3 grams, so it's nice and lightweight. 6-hour single charge. So batteries on the actual earbuds should last up to 6 hours before you need to put it back into the charger, and you will get a total charge of 24 hours, which is pretty good actually. A large sound driver, so hopefully nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble. HiFi stereo sound, 3 pods mini, true wireless earbuds. Bluetooth 5.3. Secure fit, so it should be nice and comfortable, and hopefully, you know, not too much outside noise. Smart touch control, single and binaural mode. Binaural? What's that mean? Dual? I don't know. Let's get it out. So it comes in a white case with white earbuds. So perfect for people with iPhones as well as Android phones, of course. But originally I thought all phones or all iPhones were always white, but they're not, are they? They do them in different colours. But it should work perfectly with an iPhone or an Android phone. It shouldn't matter. The actual charging cable, USB Type-C to USB, which is what I would expect. And looking at that, I'd say it's about, I don't know, 150, 200 mil, something like that. I'm not going to measure it up. It's not long, okay? But it's long enough. What's this? ASJ, it's a warranty card, and you've got 3 different Q codes here for scanning. Okay, not going to worry about that. User manual, I will have a quick read of the user manual, but I would have thought it'd be multilingo, and all you really need to do is look at the functionality. You know, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. You know, stuff like that. Get that out of the way, get that out of the way. Right, USB Type-C connection now, and I imagine that would be a charging light to indicate it's being charged. So far so good. And the earbuds, get them out. Oh, nice tight fit. Ah, that's why. Right, I'll get them out first, close that. So, they probably need charging up, and the reason they've got this blue plastic on, in case you don't know, there are people out there who don't know, is to stop them charging up while they're being transported. So you need to remove that first, and then put them back in the case, and they should charge up, because there's 2 little pins on there that connect to the pins in there. Don't know if you can see that. And that will allow them to charge up. Also, if you want an easy way of starting them up for the first time, because they're off at the moment, remove that, put them back in the case for a couple of seconds, take them out again, and they should just power on. See? But we are going to be doing that in a second. I just want to have a quick look around the box or the charging case. Yeah, it looks very nice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Also says it's waterproof as well, but I'm not sure what the rating is. It says, oh, sweat proof and fast charging. So don't go swimming with them, okay, because you might damage them. Sweat proof, or you might, you know, you'd probably be alright if there's a light bit of rain, but they're not waterproof, okay. Something to bear in mind. So what I'm going to do now is give her a quick charge. I'm going to remove this bit of plastic here. Give them a quick charge, and then we'll set her up, shall we? I'll do a tutorial on how to set them up. I know I keep doing tutorials on how to set these things up, but you need to know, don't you? Right, they're fully charged up and ready to go. Now this part of the video is to show people how to pair the earbuds to the actual device they're pairing it to, whether it be your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your PC. As long as it's got Bluetooth, it should pair up, okay? So this is for these people. So here we go then. So take them out of the case. Now then, should they not come on for whatever reason, you can hold the button in for so many seconds. I believe it's like more than 5 seconds. Refresh that. This is Bluetooth, yeah? More than 5 seconds, and then we'll do a factory reset and turn it back on, hopefully. Should do. Or just read the instructions, okay? So 3 pods, there you go, 3 pods mini. Click on that, pairing, you need to allow access, okay it, and they should be done. Stick them in your ears. Make sure they're round the right way, because they say left and right. In case you didn't know, because I didn't. Only because I see it, I thought, oh yeah, it's got left and right on it. Right, so that's it. Now, I do find them quite light, actually, for my ears. I prefer them to be a bit heavier. So, I have some music already up. Now then, to unpause it, or to play, just double tap. Voila. Yeah. Same as if you want to pause it, double tap. Doesn't matter whether it's the left or the right, it works the same. Okay. Now then, to adjust the volume, if you want to go down, it's one tap on the left. I'm going to do it now, is it? There you go. See? And the right is up. Come on. I always find them a little bit fiddly, but that's the same on any earbuds. Like I say, I do find them a little bit on the light side for me. Right, now to go forward to the next song, I think it's 3 taps. Yeah, 3 taps. And to go back is the same 3 taps, but on the left. There you go. Sorted. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now then, should you want Siri or Google Siri, yeah, or she should not be named, Alexa, it's press and hold for 2 seconds. Voila. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get out of that, because I don't want to use that. Same as if you're answering a call, I do believe it's double tap. Or if you want to reject a call, I do believe it's double tap and hold for 2 seconds, and it will reject the call. Something to bear in mind. So first impressions. Audio quality for music is very clear. It's actually crystal clear. Can't hear, no interference. Can hear a helicopter going over, believe it or not. Oh, this one's fell out. Like I said, I do think they're a little bit light for me. Can't get it in. Get in now. That's better. That's better. Pause that. Yeah, like I said, quality of audio is very clear. They are a little bit light for my ears, but they seem to be all right now. It's just getting them in there. Once they're in, they're in. If that makes sense. And it's quite easy to forget they're in your ears, okay? So yeah, what we're going to do now is I'm going to get my wife to phone me and, you know, have a little chit chat, because I need to see or hear how good talking is, you know, her talking to me or me talking to her, because there's built-in microphones, by the way, at the end of the things. They have microphones on the end. Yes, but you didn't know that, did you? So give me a second, I'll get her to phone me up and we'll have a little practice. Hello Mel. Hang on a sec. I'm just listening to the clarity of the audio. So, what are you doing me for dinner? Oh yes, so I am. Doing my own dinner. Alright, thank you very much. That works really well. After trying them out for a few days, they seem to fit my ears a lot better. You know, when I first started using them, they felt really loose, but look, I don't even want to come out now. Yeah, it seems, you know, you just need to practice with them for a little while and they seem to fit your ears a lot better, or seem to work for me a lot better anyway. Yeah, very easy to put in. They are extremely light, so something you might like or may not like. Me personally, I like to feel a bit more weight in there for me, but it might be perfect for you. So what do I think? Yeah, I think they're well, like I said, they're well worth the money. They are very light. They are water resistant for things like sweat and stuff like that. They're not waterproof. Something also to bear in mind. Quality of audio, whether you're talking to someone like I was talking to my wife, or whether you're listening to music, Again, I've never had any issue with quality of audio on any earbuds, as far as I know, ever. They've always been very good, and these are just as good. You do find the more you push them into your ears, the better the bass is. Something again to bear in mind. So with that, I hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you to decide whether or not to buy these little buddies. Thank you very much for watching.